Hello guys! Yes, this is a reaction video, and yes, this is still a morning video because this is not a reaction video for a show. Like I'm reacting to some shows, you know that, you're following me for that, but I'm making these videos, you know, during the morning to give you an idea of one activity that you can do at your home, or just to give you a reason to smile, you know, some fun for your day. Because the activity of today is to watch a movie that you never watched before and that everyone is saying to you, this is a cult movie, yes, you have to watch it. You didn't watch it already? Why? And you know, that's the kind of movie that you are saying, okay, I have to watch it, I have to remember that I have to watch it, I have to take the time to watch it, and you're never watching it. So during this confinement, you have plenty of time now to watch these movies. So I was searching what movie can I watch that I never watched before and that everyone is saying that it's a cult movie. So I took, you know, the top 50 movies on IMDb, and I was, you know, going from the top one to the other ones. I already watched this one, and all of that. And I found one that I never watched, and I think that it's the 32, you know, on IMDb. Usual Suspects. I never watched it, and I know that this is a good movie, you know, a lot of persons are telling me that this is a good movie. I think that I already know even one line of this movie without never watched it. I think that it's like with Star Wars, you know, everyone knows I'm your father and stuff like that. I think that it's that kind of line that everyone knows. I think that I know the name Kaiser Soze or something like that. I think that it's coming from this movie. So yes, I think that I can like this movie because everyone is saying that it's a cult one, and also because a lot of my friends said to me that I was gonna like it. I think that I'm not gonna react like I'm reacting in front of some shows, you know, because it's a movie and it's a long, you know, time that I'm gonna spend with you, and I'm gonna take, you know, the best moments of the movie and my best reactions of the movie, and that's it. I'm gonna discover this movie that everyone talked to me about and that everyone is considering as cult, and I don't know it. Let's go for this one. Okay, the names before the movie, we are into the 90s or before. Really? Okay. Kaiser Soze? I was right. It's into that movie. Already? We don't know him. We don't know what he was doing. We don't know you, and you already killed him. You're doing it yourself, what he was planning. You were hiding? Don't understand, you're not dead already? Just a truck getting hijacked? You know him? Kaiser Soze.
You have to come. What's the deal with them? They don't know me, you do. They won't take me unless you go. As clean as you could ever get, they'll never let you go. Now, this way we hit the cops where it hurts and we get well and we
I think that is Kaiser Soze, no Kevin Spacey, because he's represented as a shy guy, you know, one that nobody needs and all of that. Can it be him? We're searching for that, no, during this movie.
New York's finest taxi service was not your normal taxi service. It was a ring of corrupt cops.
You're stuck? Nope. Get out, and quick.
He saw Kaiser Soze.
I know that we're gonna know who he is only at the end, but why are you so interested in you?
We arrived in Los Angeles and met McManus's fence, Redfoot. So I figure I keep the merchandise, you keep the green. Give me the case. Give me the fucking case!
cops are gonna come. Good job. He did what you didn't do.
This morning he started talking. It's part of a Hungarian mob.
Can we see the drawing, please?
Yeah, did you mention Kaiser Soze? Who's Kaiser Soze? Ah, fuck! I work for Kaiser Soze.
I think that it's one of you, and I'm voting for Kevin Spacey.
It's taken us some time to find you. Our intention was to approach you after your apprehension in New York, because you have stolen from Mr. Soze, Mr. Fenstein. All of you.
Ah, still believing that it's one of them.
Mr. Hockney, you gave me a reason why I shouldn't kill you. Give it to Mr. Soze.
Open it, open it, open it. Yes. Suspense is killing me. You've got mail.
You got my whole life in here, everything I've ever done since I was 18.
Oh.
There is no Kaiser Soze.
I believe so.
He comes home to find his wife raped and children screaming. Looks over the faces of his family.
He didn't do anything.
Then he showed these men in blue what real really was.
What?
Wife and kids are on the ground, and then he goes after the rest of the mob. He kills the kids, he kills their wives.
Which one of them can have long hair?
Nobody's ever seen this, but I believe in God. And the only thing that scares me is Kaiser Soze.
Yourself? Your evil side?
You think you can catch Kaiser Soze? You think a guy like that comes this close to being caught and sticks his head out?
You're too confident. You have a strong ego.
I guess he's only
When he's acting shy, when he's with the four other.
why Ashley told us we could find Fenster.
You killed him?
Get the fuck out of here. I don't know about you, Peg Leg, but I can run.
Is he really a creeper? Okay.
What he threatened me with is ludicrous in comparison to what would be done to me if I do not carry out my orders in full. You will let me finish my business with Miss Finland first, won't you? For an extradition deposition. I request that she be put on the case personally.
No. Hush.
Hungarian. And you know it because you are Kaiser Soze and you had still stuff to deal with Hungarian people. Let's do it. Are you all gonna die? Are you all gonna see Kaiser Soze?
No, I want you to stay here. We're supposed to come and listen. If we don't get rid of this, I'll take the money and go. She knows what to do.
She knows what to do. You plan something with her and you're telling him he's Kaiser Soze and that's why he's gonna kill you. Because he doesn't want someone to betray him, you know? That he can't trust like that. Yeah, yeah. Nope. Yes, 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 you're killing all of them. Money? All of that? Ouch! Kaiser Soze. We're gonna see him killing all of them. It's not you! I was so sure that it was Kevin Spacey. I'm lost now.
Froze up.
You're making me doubt.
So much so that he named close to 50 people. Guess we named him
Kaiser Soze.
I know he's here.
He's there for you.
I'm telling you, it's Kaiser Soze!
He's going for revenge against everyone. Right there, he used you guys, but he's gonna kill you no matter what. And I still think that it's one of you. Both of you, you are occupied, so you didn't kill the other one.
Strangest thing. That's what you say in your statement. You saw a man in a suit with a slim build. Wait a minute.
It's not what I
You
do.
saying you saw Kaiser Soze?
Try to tell me you saw someone kill Keaton. I did.
You're lying to me. You had a gun. Why didn't you help him?
Kaiser Soze, that's it, we get it now. I'm really into it, you know, into the movie. I'm really trying to understand it. Who is Kaiser Soze? You're hiding and you're seeing him or her. That's not all. It can't be all.
You're saying Sosei sent us to kill someone?
Yes.
You say Keaton did. Verbal, he left you behind for a reason. He wanted me to live. He saved you because he wanted it that way. It was his will. Keaton was Kaiser Sose. The kind of man who could engineer a police lineup through all his years of contacts in NYPD. The kind of man who could have killed Edie Finneran.
What?
He was found yesterday in a hotel in Pennsylvania. Shot twice in the head. But you didn't see him die.
But we saw the first scene.
He programmed you to tell us just what he wanted you to. I'm stupid, I'm a cripple, lying me.
No, I still think that you did it. You said stuff for making him think that. That's it, and now you're safe. Because they're gonna blame him. And you're gonna be free and safe. You needed him, someone like him, who already faked his death.
You might never see trial.
You have trouble to believe it?
I'm not a rat.
Show me it, show me him. Show me the drawing. You're letting him free and you're gonna have the drawing after. Show me.
Excuse me. Can I use your fax machine?
A fax. Oh, you're gonna see something. You're gonna see a clue that you had all of this time on the wall. Come on.
Frank, California, as soon as you're ready for it. Tell Mr. Soze. Talk to his room. That's the house that remains of Guatemala leads to make fresh starts. I know you thought he was good. I know he was good. I'm Mr. Kobayashi. Kubayashi.
He made it entirely. So which part is real or not?
The cripple, which way did he go?
He's not cripple. He's gonna walk really fine. Come on.
You're stupid, Myrtle. Because you're
No, you're not. He's not really resembling, but
My guess is you'll never hear from him again.
he had what he wanted. Okay, so all was real. He just changed the names.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
He told you the story. I was alright. I'm sorry, but I was alright. I'm glad that I discovered that. I don't know when, you know, into the film, into the movie, I suspected him. I think that when the movie was out, you know, on theater and all of that, everyone was surprised by this end. But now, in nowadays, we are more used to have ends like that, you know, surprising ends like that. So we are suspecting since the beginning the right person. You understand what I mean? I think that it's easier for me to guess now who was Kaiser Soze because I already watched movies and shows who were inspired by that kind of movies where you had at the end that big surprise, that reveal, that ta-da! In fact, it was not the one that you suspected. I'm glad that I was right, but I know also why I was right. Because of movies and shows which were inspired by that kind of movie, you know. Okay, so now I can say that I watched Usual Suspects. That's it. That's another cult movie, you know, that I saw. That's another movie that everyone is talking about, that I'm gonna be able to talk about now. But you know, I think that the movie who really shocked me enough to make me doubt about things since the beginning of that kind of movies, it's Sixième Sens, The Sixth Sense, I think in English. Since that movie that I discovered when I was 11 years old, something like that, the end really shocked me a lot. And since then, you know, each time that I'm watching a movie like that, I'm always thinking, okay, take everything in the contrary, the easy suspect it's this one, so the real one, you know, the one who did it, it's the other one, you know, the contrary of what you can think first. But that was a great movie, I loved it. Again, I'm gonna keep really just a little of it, just the best moments of it, because that's a long movie, so I don't want to use it all, and that's not the purpose of this video. It's not to make a reaction video about the movie, it's really more to show you that during this confinement you have the time to watch the movie that you never had the time to watch before. The cult movies that everyone saw and not you, that's it, you can watch them now. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video right now. Bye bye, take care of you.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.